Mila's English Class and School presents Daily Phrase Dose. That's water under the bridge. What happened is in the past now and is not as important. To resolve personal conflicts. We can forget about you lying, it's water under the bridge now. To address past mistakes. I didn't get that job I wanted last year, but that's water under the bridge. I'm in a much better place now. To discuss historical events. Those business setbacks we had 10 years ago are water under the bridge. The company is thriving now. To forgive and move on. I know you're sorry for what happened. It's water under the bridge. Let's not think about it anymore. To indicate change over time. The issues we had with that project last year are water under the bridge. We've learned a lot and improved since then. To indicate change in our relationship. We had our ups and downs, but that's all water under the bridge. We're in a good place now. Look at these examples in contextual sentences.
So, it's water under the bridge.
Water under the bridge, Bob.
Oh, that's water under the bridge.
Water under the bridge, forget it.
Okay. Appreciate that. Just remember, water under the bridge.
Water under the bridge.
That's water under the bridge.
Okay.
Water under the bridge.
Water under the bridge.
That is all water under the bridge.
Come on, that's water under the bridge.
Well, that's water under the bridge now, isn't it?
Please like, comment and subscribe for more English learning videos.